Hi, my name is Taipei Long. I'm from Taiwan, and my English name is Angela. In this video, I'll briefly introduce my education background and also my experience. And about my education background, my first degree is Business Administration, and I finished this program in Taiwan. And from this degree, I learned a variety of essential commercial knowledge, such as accounting and statistics. Also, I know a lot of different management concepts in different departments in a commercial organization, such as human resource management, financial management. And from these compulsory courses, I found my interest in the marketing management. So I decided to do the further study in the UK. So I'm currently doing the international marketing management in the University of Leeds. And about my experience, in present stage, I don't have the formal work experience. However, I still have a lot of opportunity to practice my marketing knowledge. For example, I have a 4 years part-time job experience in the real estate industry. In this job, I need to know how to select the right channel for promote our product. And also for my study, I have many chance to apply my marketing knowledge, such as we need to make the marketing plan for real company, no matter when I was in the postgraduate study or the undergraduate study. So if you are looking for someone have an enthusiasm in the marketing field and also on the essential marketing knowledge, I think I will be the person you are looking for.